Here we go. Whoa!
Hold on, Jim. Hold on, Jim. Hold on, Jim. Hold on. Hold on, Daddy. Hold on, lady. Hold on, lady. That's a good one, Jim. Hold on. Hold on, lady. Hold on, Shep. What's coming up? I can't see.
I can't see.
Whoa! Whoa, ladybug. Is it fun?
Yeah, I feel him too.
I got splashed pretty good.
Wow! It is going fast.
Hold on, Shep.
Here we go.
Here we go into the
What did you think of that?
Whoa!
Did you like it?
Was that fun?
Do it again? Yeah.
That was fun, Shep. Hey, look at where we're going. Look, look. Yep, we're going to get out. You okay, Lulu? Let's do it
On
again.
your stomach, Shep. Ready, go! Go, Shep, go!
Alright guys, please grab your bags and exit out to your right side.
Hey, Shep.
Run, Shep, run! Did you like it?
You okay, Lulu? Didn't lose anything, did you?
I'll do that again.
Huh?
You do that again? Woo! 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 There we go, Shep. There we go, son. Whoa! Shepfish! Gotcha. Woohoo! This is cool. What happened? You okay? You okay? Okay. Let me see you. Let me see you. Hey, you. Just go underwater. 1, 2, 3. What do you think, Granddad?
It's great. I'm lazy and this is lazy enough. He's attacking the Lulu.
Hey, attack! There he is. He's underwater.
Come back!
Get your tube, baby. You lost your tube.
No, I don't want it.
Okay.
Come on, Jeff. You can't stop. You can't stop. You have to keep going.
What'd you think? Sheppy, you gotta get out of the water, baby. What'd you think, Shep?
Good, didn't it?
Yes, sir, and here's the finale. Sheppy gets to eat a tub of ice cream. Look at that. What do you think, Shep? What do you think, son?
Good.
Good.
It is good.
Got something.
Very good. Good job.